Hi folks, I am going to read you an Aang story today. This story is all about everything to protect them while they're doing out there. And from now on, maybe that story is called Avatar, The Last Airbender. I am Aang. Adapted by Mei Nakamura. Illustrated by Bao Luu. Published by Golden Books. Okay? We're ready and let's begin. I am Aang. I'm only 12 years old, but I can control water, earth, fire, and air. It's called bending, and being able to bend all four elements makes me the Avatar. That means I have a big job. Like all the avatars before me, I keep the balance between the four nations of our world. Learning to do this has been, well, pretty interesting. I was born into the Air Nation. Growing up at the Southern Air Temple, I was very close to my airbending teacher, Mungasto. We had a lot of fun together. But when I found out that I was the Avatar, everything changed, and that scared me. I just wanted to be a kid. I decided to run away, and my friendly, furry sky bison Appa was ready to help. But we flew into a big storm. To keep us safe, I used my avatar powers to wrap us both in a giant bubble of ice. But then, we were trapped. Eventually, I was found by Katara and Sokka, a sister and brother from the Southern Water Tribe. Katara freed me, and we became best friends. It turned out that I had been sleeping in ice for 100 years. I guess I'm pretty good at lawn naps. After being asleep for so long, I was curious about everything I'd missed. I went penguin sledding with Katara and soared over mountains on my glider with new friends. But I couldn't play all the time. The world was at war. I had to learn to master the four elements. Everyone was counting on me. I started with water. First, Katrina taught me how to waterbend. Then a grumpy old man named Master Master Potku finished my training. Next, I learned how to bend earth from the greatest earthbender in the world. Top's lessons were hard, and not just because of all the rocks. After Prince Zuko and I became friends, he showed me how to bend fire. We even learned a special way to firebend from 2 dragons. Being the Avatar made me really famous. Sometimes I got sort of a big head. And sometimes people ask me to do things I didn't think I could, like talk to angry spirits and tell them I could help balance the world. When I need to protect others, I was serious and focused. I even saved a whole village from a volcano. With the support of my friends, I felt like I could do anything. We traveled the world and helped people. We even had some fun while doing it. As the problems got worse, people told me the only way to fix things was to use violence. But I wanted a way to protect the world without hurting anyone. I found the answer from a giant lion turtle who gave me the power to bend energy. It was incredible. After all my training and hard work, I was able to stop Fire Lord Ozzy from winning the war. I used energy bending to take his fire-bending powers away. The nations were at peace again. My friends and I restored balance to the world. Being the Avatar isn't easy, but with friends by my side, I know I can do it. The end. Good story, huh? That was pretty impressive. Now, who are your favorite characters in the story? Aang, Puko, Pika, and many others. Alright, that's pretty good. Now, why did you wear that shirt to go with the story? Rolling Stone, right? Okay, maybe it's been too late, alright, but I really think I must have been a Ford. Okay, go ahead. Well, folks, I've got to go now. I hope you enjoy a story called Aang, and then I will see you again next week while we come back another story to read it. And that's pretty impressive. Alright everyone, where are we going? To music therapy? Drop off mileage? Walmart? One can down? And Dad's house for dinner. Alright? Maybe it's been too late, but I hope you enjoyed the story. Thanks. Maybe it's been good. And now let me count down. Alright? Okay. Adios, folks. I think I should say adios too with his Facebook friends. Good. Okay. Adios, folks. Alright? Let me count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Click.